Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Government is looking for other alternative sites. Education Minister asks agitating teachers to return to school. Hundreds of unemployed police job seekers came out on the street. And custodians of our nation are sleeping on the street of Shillong for sustenance. While meeting with the delegation of Mauba Dorbar and Mr. Mahendro Rapsang, MLA from West Shillong constituency, the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, informed them that the proposal of the state government to shift the inmates of Maulong Hut to Mauba is not a final decision. He said that the government has directed the Meghalaya Urban Development Authority, MUDA, to look for other alternative sites for the purpose. Leaders of Mauba locality along with the MLA have vehemently objected to the above proposal of the government. The State Education Minister, Mr. Lakaman Rumbui, met with the leaders of the agitating SSA teachers and informed them that the state government is taking seriously about the grievances of the teachers, particularly the delay in the disbursement of their salaries. He said the department is always in touch with the Government of India in this regard. The state government has requested the Government of India to release immediately sanction for the salaries of the teachers. He requested the members of the agitating teachers to bear with the government, which is trying every effort to solve the problems and return to duty in their respective schools.
They face so much hardship, we understand that. But there are something which is not in our hand. So we have to understand that we should work together and they should resume their class. The amount depends upon the central government, how much they will release. We want them to release as much as possible.
The Meghalaya police issued public advisory for general public awareness not to buy second-hand motorcycles and cars without proper physical checking and verifications of relevant documents to avoid unnecessary problems and complications. The police have also instructed all drivers and two-wheeler riders to take necessary precautions while driving so as not to put others' lives and your own lives in danger. Frequent accidents are taking place in the hilly areas all over the state due to rush, negligent driving, overspeeding, overtaking, selfishness and pride on the road. Drivers and riders should not forget the driving license before making a journey. Helmets are compulsory for the two-wheeler riders. Drive cautiously, considering your safety and that of others, is the advice from the Meghalaya police. Around Kiang Nangba Monument opposite the Shillong Civil Hospital today, the 20th of July, hundreds of unemployment youths who have passed physical tests in the police job vacancies gathered to demand from the state government and the police authorities to immediately announce the results and release the names of those candidates who have been declared as cleared in the physical tests. The government and the police brass have kept silent on this matter for so many months, while the age of the candidates is progressing to the point of exceeding the age limit for government employment. The youths gathered at Malki Playground and moved in a procession to the monument of Kiang Nangba, shouting slogans against the unnecessary delay from the part of the government.
Wan na jingai na jiliu na kendong na lawan ban penkrek kata kamare na duka exam la krek kot bha ki yu bha telong giker pat ya ka sarkaru bakan sutulem ki jing ki jongi ki kun samla te na kalian ga jongi hang ne te ngakwa ban pawe kata hi ka wei kamat mo namar ba ipat nilai krek bha ani katno nilai jenjar tang ban krek kot ru nilai krek bha ban mit per step sakamare step saka lek bela lek singi saka lek kelas saka lek school atat long idap ka jing kan mo na ying na semru bepling ideki baduk te kata kan kuat ban terpat ka sarkar jongi ba kin Yos no, but kin kendit no ay kinay kijing kerpat marit kijungi kun samla ubri ubnyo trap.
The SSA teachers of Garo Hills held a protest march on the 20th of July 2022 from Tura Government College ground to the DC office to submit their memorandum to the Chief Minister through the District Commissioner's office, Tura. Yesterday, at the indefinite sit-in, TMC leader George B. Lingdo met the SSA teachers. Continuing with their solidarity and support, TMC Meghalaya key leaders were present, including Richard M. Marak, West Garo Hills District Convener, Adamkit Sangma, Rupert Sangma, ex-MDC Tura, Stafford and Sangma, West Garo Hills District Coordinator. LG Moman, the president of the association, said that they would wait for 10 days for response from the cover before launching into a longer agitation. In Meghalaya, SSA teachers under the banner of Meghalaya Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan Schools Association continues with the indefinite sit-in near a toilet in the additional secretariat area. Countless teachers in the protest spent yesterday night again on the streets. It is not the first time that the teachers of Meghalaya had to leave their classrooms and hit the streets for their sustenance.
All India Trinamool Congress ni kita, jenis kita parang maksa solidarity ko misuk na kita nga talori pa. Jenis kita parang lawan degi sorok rango, lawan si Shillong rango nagkaya may ubos tongnya, sa warang ko nagkiblong hindi ko. At nga ba All India Trinamool Congress ni kita, jenis kita parang maksa solidarity ko misuk na. Aro wamang ni demand rango, so kari knasak na nga. Aro tarakyan, nangarang ko tak na kita nga. May ni naman jenis kita parang antan ni dolmarang ko, may antan ni manggani ko amya. Warang ko sokari antani kamko kana kata nanga responsible ongi kamko kana nanga aro leadership antani governance ni kamrang ko nami kamko kana kata nanga ni nga chingni kita party ni kita sokari ko demand ka ya genuine demand shong tharaken fulfill ka china kita.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until meet again, thank you for watching.